To start off, we need to prepare our roux. This foundation of our gumbo begins with a quarter cup of vegetable oil heated over medium heat in a medium saucepan. Gradually whisk in a quarter cup of all-purpose flour until it forms a paste. Keep stirring until the roux turns a deep brown color. This process can take about 15 to 20 minutes, but be careful not to burn it. Once the roux is ready, it's time to combine the ingredients in the crock pot. Begin by placing 1 pound of bite-sized pieces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and the same amount of sliced smoked sausage into the crock pot. Over this, sprinkle a cup each of finely chopped onion, celery, and green bell pepper. Don't forget to add in 3 cloves of minced garlic for that extra punch of flavor. Next comes the liquid base and seasonings. Pour 4 cups of chicken broth into the crock pot. Add in a can of undrained diced tomatoes, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon each of dried thyme and dried oregano, half a teaspoon each of smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. Season with salt and black pepper to your own taste. Now it's time to stir in the roux. Mix it well with the other ingredients until it's fully combined. Then, cover your crock pot and let it work its magic. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. About 30 minutes before the cooking time is up, it's time to add 2 cups of sliced okra to the gumbo. This will give it a unique flavor and texture that's essential for any gumbo. When your gumbo is cooked to perfection, remove the bay leaves and stir in chopped green onions and fresh parsley. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.